What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to do bomb ass pipe cleaner curls. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. Showing you guys how to do bomb ass pipe cleaner curls on medium length locks. As you can see, I've already completed all of the coils here in her head, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve these curls. I have a pipe cleaner here that I'm going to be using. I have a video on how to prep pipe cleaners. I'll leave it right here on the top of the screen so that you could check that out. So for each one of these coils that you see here, I use two. So what I did to start was I took my pipe cleaner, okay, and I'm going to take the end of her lock, okay, and I take the pipe cleaner, put it right at the end. Now I'm pulling on her hair like this so that you can see the actual length of her locks. This is where it comes in, okay? See how I'm pulling it on there, just like that? Okay, so the first thing I do is put my pipe cleaner on the end, and I start to wrap the ends. As you can see here, there are two different lengths, okay? So I wrap this one like that, wrap this one, and just kind of twirl it around the pipe cleaner, okay? And once I do that, I begin to roll, and I want to do my first two rolls over top of the ends so that I can secure those ends down. So I roll it, okay? See, that was the first roll. The second roll, make sure I hold those ends down, roll it, okay? You want to make sure it's firm, okay? I'll roll it. Now at this point, I rolled it about 3 times. I'm going to go ahead and take that in and just bend it under, just like that, okay? And I'm going to continue to roll this. I begin to roll, and as I roll, I keep it kind of loose, as you can see here, and then I slide it down just like that, okay? So I'll roll it loosely just like so, and I'll just slide it down, and I'll shape it if I want to, just like that. All right, roll it loosely, okay, and then I slide it down just like so. Now as you can see here, this is really not a perfect little loop, but what I want you to understand about pipe cleaner curls is you don't have to wrap the lock around the pipe cleaner curl really tight. As long as it's wrapped around the pipe cleaner curl, you will have curls. You don't have to make it really tight so that your curls are the size of the pipe cleaner, which is really not that big, as you can see here. So this is how you achieve bomb ass pipe cleaner curls, and curls that are not necessarily looking like a straw set, okay? So I continue and roll it loosely, and then I slide it down just like that, okay? See, it's kind of loose. Slide it down, okay? And it creates that tight. And I continue to slide to the root just like so. I kind of pull it a little bit, see, and to make it that small, coil like I want, and simply bend my pipe cleaner over like that, and there you have it. One coil done. So I have 2 more here in the front. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do it again. This is a tip for people who are doing these pipe cleaner curls, and if you're using 2 locks, whichever one of your locks are the longest, you want to just overlap it onto the shorter one when you're wrapping it around when you're starting this off. So I'm going to put the shorter one down. I'm going to kind of take the long one and overlap it over the short one and just wrap it around the pipe cleaner. I'm also going to wrap the shorter one around as well, okay? And now I'm going to begin to twirl. Just like I said before, the first 2 twirls will be overlapping the ends of this, just like so. It's about 2, 3. You want to make sure you overlap those ends. And now that I did about 3, I'm going to take that end and I'm going to just fold it under like this, and I'm going to continue my twirl, okay? There you have it. Once you do that, and you have your end folded in. Now you do the technique, okay? You want to just wrap it loosely, slide it down, okay? Wrap it loosely, slide it down. Wrap it loosely, slide it down, just like that, okay? Wrap it loosely, slide it down. See, and you'll have a little bulkiness, but that's okay. That's okay. Let me move her a little bit closer. Okay, let me come back out for you all a little bit. So what I did was wrap it loosely, slide it down. Wrap it loosely, slide it down. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing here. Now, it's okay if it looks bulky like this. It doesn't have to be perfect because you want your curls to have a bit of volume. So you don't need it to look like a straw set. You just need your hair to be wrapped in a loop around the pipe cleaner. So again, loosely, and just push it down. Right to the root, push it down. You can pull it out a little bit to make it a little bit tighter. You want those dense, tight curls. So fold over your pipe cleaner. And there you have it, how to do bomb ass pipe cleaner curls. I really just wanted to show you guys the technique that I use to get bomb ass pipe cleaner curls. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and show you how to take out your pipe cleaners for the best results. Now, I have to mention here before I show you guys that I've had these pipe cleaners in here for about 4 or 5 days. I definitely recommend, even when I do my own pipe cleaners, I put the pipe cleaners in my hair and I literally leave them in for about a week, okay? And then I take them out. For some reason, that yields the best results, okay? Because you can sit underneath the dryer, but ain't nobody got time for that. But an alternative is to just leave them in for about 4 or 5 days and let them air dry, completely set, and you will be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to take them out. So you just pretty much bend it just like this. You wanna go ahead and bend the end part out. Okay, now what I do is I start to twist the hair that is wrapped around the pipe cleaner in the opposite direction in which it is on here. So what I mean when I say that, it's just kind of like loosen it up, twist it, see, in the opposite direction of it being on there, just to kind of loosen it up, as you can see. And once I do that, I just go ahead and grab the end. I start to twist the pipe cleaner itself like this, like you're twisting a screwdriver, and then you just kind of pull it out, okay, just like that. So pretty. I'm going to show you again. Straighten it out, pull the end out just like so. Then you want to twist the hair in the opposite direction, not taking it off, but loosening it up. Just loosening it up, as you can see, just loosen it up. Twist it in the opposite direction of it being on the pipe cleaner. Then take the pipe cleaner itself and you just want to like twist it a little like this, and this should just come right out. Hold your finger, your 2 fingers here, okay, so that the hair doesn't pull down. Then you pull the pipe cleaner out. It should come out easy, just like that. Look at those curls, girls. Look at those curls, girls. We're gonna do one more. So move her down a little. We're gonna go ahead and take out this one right here at the front. Like I said, make it straight. Pull your end out. You want to go ahead and twist the hair in the opposite direction. Loosen it up a little, not taking it off, but loosening it up. Twist the pipe cleaner a little. 2 fingers at the base of the curl. Pull the pipe cleaner out. Boom, just like that. How pretty. There you have it, y'all. Curls for days. Okay, is she flexing or no? So
much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Comment down below and let me know what you think about these spicy red bomb ass pipe cleaner curls on Locs. Don't forget to share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.